my name is Matilda and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to put together a little eyeshadow look for my blue-eyed girls to show you guys how to make your baby blues pop. So I obviously have blue eyes myself and I love to make them look as super bright blue as possible at all times. So to do that, I like to do really warm orangey eyeshadow looks. So the eyeshadow look I did today is clearly very glam, very bold, very intense. But you can apply the same kind of colour scheme to more natural looks to get your blue eyes popping as well. But I will explain more in the video when I'm doing my eyeshadow about complementary colours and what colours you want to go for to make your blue eyes really stand out. If you are excited for this video, don't forget to give it a like, and also while you're down there, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you want to see some more of me. I would love to have you as a part of my little YouTube family. I make videos every single week, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch those, and also click the little bell icon if you want to get notified when I upload next. So if you do want to see how I achieved this eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. So the key to making blue eyes pop is using the opposite colour to blue on the colour wheel, which is orange. And you can also use red oranges and yellow oranges as well. On the wheel, the colours that are opposite each other are called complementary colours, and each will make the other one pop. So you can use that in any situation. The opposite colour will make the other one pop. So for this look, I'm going for peaches, oranges, burnt oranges, warm browns, and cranberry orange reds. After putting down a peach in the crease, I'm taking a true bright burnt orange in the outer corner and dragging a small amount of that through the crease as well. I find to really make blue eyes pop, a smoky eye with the orange tones all around the eye best enhances the blue in my eyes. So get those orange colours absolutely everywhere. To deepen up the look, I'm taking a warm deep brown in the same area as the last orange colour and just blended that out with the peach and brighter orange shades. I'm deepening the look even further with a deeper warm brown on a small pencil brush and just applying that right in the outer corner. For the lid shade, you can really do any warm colour that you like. I decided to go for the sparkly cranberry first, and then I put down a more coppery shade to really enhance the orange tones. For liner, I decided to go for a warm brown gel liner as I thought black would be too harsh and detract from the warm shadows. I then wiped away the fallout and applied some mascara and lashes. For the lower lash line, I started with the peach shade and smoked it out with the deepest warm brown. To highlight the inner corner and brow bone, I took a white pinky shimmer as it's quite a neutral shade and goes well with the warm shadows. For the lips, I went for a warm peach lip to really play up the warm colours in the eyes as well. And that is the finished look. So I hope this video helped you guys out, especially if you have blue eyes and you've always wondered how to make your blue eyes look super blue, super vibrant, and super amazing. Of course, this eyeshadow look looks amazing on any eye color. You don't have to have blue eyes, but I do hope that you blue-eyed girls and boys really enjoyed this video especially. Don't forget to hit the like button down below if you did enjoy it, and while you're down there, subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more from me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye guys!